My name is Paul Keta, and I'm representing T4G. I am a certified project management professional, so I'm taking the opportunity to introduce you to projects and to project management. Now, when we talk of a project, we're actually referring to a solution that starts off in the mind of a human being as an idea or a concept. In this case, we are seeing the person imagining a house, but this house hasn't manifested yet. So the whole objective is to have a house fully built at the end of a period. Now, the process that is followed to get that idea into a full house is what we call a project. Now, project management relates to how those activities that end up manifesting the house are managed, and they are planned and executed. Now, we have just used a house as an example, but we've got many products that we can think of, like a power station, a stadium, a highway, a school, and such kind of products. It's important that we have project management because T4G was formed as a project management organization. Now we need to showcase how we have run our projects. Things have to be auditable. We need to have documentation and all that in case we need to showcase to our investors and such kind of people. So when we are managing projects, there are certain standards and frameworks that we have to use. Here is a list of them, including a whole lot that are in-house. But in this instance, we are focusing on PMBOK, which is the Project Management Body of Knowledge developed by PMI, an international standard framework for managing projects. Now, as we can see, we have got key roles in projects that are, I would say, mandatory for the success of any project. Listed on the left being the project sponsor, the project owner, the project director, the manager, and the team. Their responsibilities are on the right, and we can see the project sponsor has got a crucial role to play there, being the one who makes sure that there is funding and enough resources for the project. The owner is equally as important because he's got an interest in the operations of the project. Then we've got the management team from the director to the project team. These ensure that governance is followed throughout the implementation process for the solution. We make use of project management information systems. In this instance, we make reference to MS Project and Microsoft Excel. These are key in developing schedules that we use for tracking and also for reporting. We store such information on our repository that we call Slack, but there are many repositories in the world. Right now we come to this hectic slide, which sums up everything about PMBOK project management. It covers all the way from feasibility through all the stages of IPEC, which is initiation, planning, execution, control, and closure, with a full analysis of each of the stages, starting from the feasibility stage. The feasibility stage looks or analyzes how feasible it is to translate a concept into a product, looking at things like funding, technical capabilities, and all other inputs. Okay, so this is done from objective management and all the associated documentation. So Our training from this point is going to cover each of these towers: initiation tower, planning tower, execution tower, control tower, and the closure tower, looking at all the associated documentation, management activities, and objectives of each of those towers. Thank you.